Window replacement cost in Minnesota can vary greatly depending on the type of window and the type of installation. One way that certain vinyl manufacturers or vinyl window installers get away with getting a low price is they'll do what's called an insert window, and so they'll reuse your existing frame and they'll stick a window inside of that. A couple of drawbacks with that is you lose glass space. So since you're putting one window inside another window, you don't have as much glass that you're going to be looking out. But also you don't have the opportunity to address any moisture problems or rot or insulation because you're going in that old opening. We choose to do what's called a full frame replacement, where we take out everything in that unit down to the rough opening. We're able to address any moisture intrusion that's happened at that point. We put the new window in, we're able to insulate around that and then put the new casing on the inside. This solves all those problems, but it also comes at a greater cost. There's more steps. You know, it's more installation that we need to do, but we feel that's the right way to do things. Also, the different brands of windows and materials you use. So if you use vinyl windows versus fiberglass versus aluminum windows, aluminum wood windows, those all have different categories of window costs associated with them.